I just fell into the furnace right now.
Space Girl!
Very special crew today. Who did you play in it?
The dummy that died.
The dummy that died.
Is that how you want to be credited on IMDb?
Inside the Iron Giant's metal guts, he's a big steam engine. You know, he's like a big locomotive. I'm gonna have a bunch of CGI giant gears.
Wow.
Like you're inside a giant clock, like his intestines. And so in come the spiders. And they're coming to, and there's gonna be little ones that I'll put in later that are like this big.
I really don't like spiders.
There are these things inside you too.
Spiders?
Little bacteria and white blood cells all trying to fix the problem.
Am I scared of spiders?
No, you're mostly just trying to save your...
Okay.
Space Girl is braver than
Than I am. Okay.
Ready, Lauren?
Just getting that blue hairs.
What happened? Oh, okay.
Blue hairs in my cleavage.
Don't want that.
Don't want to make it look like I have a hairy chest.
Back the arms off. Move your toe out of my face there. There we go. Action, struggling. Yeah, when I don't do this, I work in the cafeteria at school, handing out lunch trays. I stir the soup, and I have trouble with spaghetti. And he just bursts in like, whoa, what's he gonna do? And he looks,
No!
Okay. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! It's like you're playing tug of war and you're pulling. Oh, he totally got you. Oh! Everybody okay?
Sorry.
Space Girl!